Boom boom bang bing, it's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA 3 Definitive Edition. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing the whole trilogy. Yeah, but I was gonna do like part 1 of San Andreas and part 1 of this, part 2 of San Andreas and do part 2 of this, but it's so conflicting, man. You know what I'm saying? So I say just let me do one at a time. You know what I'm saying? Word. So the latest news is that Rockstar is about to patch this game. I mean, with the bugs and the graphics, I think they're about to upgrade it a little bit because people are complaining that they're not happy with certain things. So the latest Rockstar news is that they're gonna send out a patch soon to fix everybody's sorry about that. Yeah, to fix everybody's problem. You know what I'm saying? Word. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Yeah. And if you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Only if you feel like it. Yeah. It's your boy Jamaican J. So let's get to it, man. Let's get to part 4, you know what I'm saying? Finish up these missions we got over this side. And I think the bridge is unlocked now too. I think we could cross over to the other. I think we could cross over here now. I think this bridge right here is open. Yeah, this bridge right here is open, so I think I could go across now. Go across over here. I'm just gonna wait till I finish the missions over here. Phone mission and yeah, okay. I'm gonna get you. I need a car, man. Call my mama. What you say about my mama? Get out of here, boy. What the hell you say about my mama? Get out of here. We're talking about my mama. Slapping at your face. Okay, alright, let's see. Alright, let's go do a telephone mission. Yeah, man, so they're about to patch the game up a little bit. You know. Can't wait to see what that patch is gonna look like. Trial by fire.
Car last night, wrecked it and left it burning. Some of my most precious donkey memorabilia was in the
It says donkey
memorabilia.
memorabilia.
I've hidden a throbbing weapon on the edge of Chinatown. Take it and teach these triad vandals to fear El Poro's well-endowed wrath. Arriba!
Arriba, arriba. Yeah, I heard some people are asking for refunds, but I don't want no refund, man, because I know they're gonna patch it up. Whatever problem people complaining about, I know they're gonna fix it. So I really don't want no refund. I like the game personally, you know. So I'm a simple man, not hard to please, man. Here we go. I mean, the price of the game could have been better though. They should have sold this shit for like $40. $40. You know what I'm saying? I think $40 is a decent price for this. $60 is a little, but hey, fucking Rockstar. Alright, kill 25 triads in what? 2-3 minutes, burn them. I hope there's a lot of triads out. Oh, here's go one right here. 1, 2, 3. me chase these refs. Let me hurry up and do this, man, because time is running. I don't see no triads, man. Turn back, turn back. Ain't none down there. Ain't none up here either. Where are the triads at? They just spawning randomly, I guess. You're hot. Come on, man. I don't think I'm doing it fast enough, though. For some reason, I don't think I'm doing it fast enough. Yo, cop, you better stop fucking with me. I'm trying to do my mission. I'll turn this shit around on you. Get out of here, man. See, let me burn myself. Look at this shit. Yo, get out of the way, man. God damn, they ain't spawning no more? What the fuck? Oh, they expect me to finish this mission if they ain't spawning nobody for me to kill. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you all tired. You can't run fast enough, can you? Hey, move, man. Got to kill 7 people in 20 seconds. I don't see none this way. I don't see none over here. See what I'm talking about? You can't find nobody to fucking burn up. I don't understand this shit. If you want me to kill 25 fucking triads, right? Why would you put like 14 of them motherfuckers out there? You feel me? You want me to kill 25, but you put 14 people out there.
Some insolent triad stole my beautiful car last night. Wrecked it and left it.
And it's not even a hard mission either. It's an easy mission. But it's just that there ain't nobody for you to shoot. You know what? I remember in the old game there was like a park close by where all the triads hang out at. Let me see if I see that park first before I start this mission. There's a park that is it this park right here? Yeah, it's this park right here. They be hanging out right there. So I gotta come here. Okay, cool. Yo, get out the way, motherfuckers. Jesus. Oh, look at them right there. There's 3 of them right here. There's 3 of them right there, man. Hurry up. Oh my God, they're gone. So, motherfucker, man. Let me go down this street right here. There they go at the park right there. Here go the park I'm talking about. Yo, move, man. Yo, move, cop. Y'all some fucking... Get on my fucking nerve, man. Get away from me, man. Come on, man. What the fuck? You go get this last one down here. Come back up the street. Yo, watch it, truck. Come on, man. I got 30 seconds. I gotta get how much more? Let me go back this way, yo. Because I don't see none up there. Come on, man. One more. Hurry up. He's right there. Shoot him. There we go. Damn, that was close. 10,000. Look now. Look at all of them now. You couldn't find one just now. Look at that. What's this over here? Look like armor. How the fuck I get over here? I can't get over there. There you go, the thing right. I don't know. What's this? Oh shit! Why they shoot me for, man? Fuck out of here, man. I'm getting out of here. I'm under fire. Oh shit. I think I'm in the wrong neighborhood. Get out of that shit, bro. The fucking triads try to kill me. There go my car right there. I don't want it. Can't come down here, man. I'm gonna be shot at. Need to go to the hospital. I think I got shot up. Damn, I can't even come around here. Oh. Yo, come on, man. I have to fuck you guys up, man. Stop, man. Stop. Stop. I said stop. Stop, bitch. Man, fuck the police. I'm out of here. Out of here. Man, this fucking triad's getting on my nerve, man. I can't even come down here without getting shot at. Yeah, baby. Up there. Get up there. You know what I'm saying? No cops can come up here. Oh, a train coming. Shit. Gotta get off. Get out, bro. Oh, I live. Thank God I live. Get out of there, man. All right, let me go do a mission. Stop messing around. Oh shit, my energy's low. All right. See where we could go. We'll do a mission. So it's only Tony, Joey. Tony or Joey. Let's go check Joey. Oh yeah, so somebody had asked why am I oh here you go the phone ringing again over there, huh? Yo, let's go check out what the phone want, man. Let's go see. The crook.
The name's Jocks, Marty Jocks. I run the bitchin' dog food factory around the corner. I got money troubles, but hey, who doesn't, right? I'm meeting my bank manager later. He's a crooked bastard that keeps bumping up the loan repayment so he can cut a slice. Take my car, pick him up, and bring him back here. I got a little surprise for that blood-sucking leech.
Okay. Let me see how my I ain't got no Uzi. Only got 9 bullets. I need to go to the guns ammunition. Oh, I'm going right here. Okay. Oh, sorry, people. My bad. My bad. Damn, cop. I don't have no gun, you know. I wonder if I should have. I wonder if I should have went into ammunition first. Go and meet the bank manager. Yeah, like I was saying before, yeah, somebody had asked me why the name of the channel is Dashanda X. So the name of the channel is based off the name of my daughter. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's my daughter's name. And I think it would be nice to name the channel of my daughter. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Sentimental. Okay. Yo, why these motherfuckers? Yo, move, man. Leave me alone, man. Damn, man. Come on, yo. I can't even come around here without these motherfuckers messing with me, man. Yo, get that piece of shit out of here, man. See that bridge over there is still closed off. Right there, still closed off. Maybe it's closed off because I'm doing a mission, maybe. Hold on, let me look. See, I can't even come around here, man. These fucking guys, man, shooting at me. Let me go see if I could pick this guy up real quick. Come on, dude, because I'm under heavy fire over here.
Let's go and pay the fellow a visit.
Another day on the job working for the mafia. Mafioso.
Get your hands off me arm!
Get their hands off me arm. Take the car to the crusher and get rid of the evidence. Oh, so they killed him. I just gotta get rid of his car. Damn, these mafias ain't playing, boy. They just murked him. Get your hands off my arm. You got any bright ideas, what to say? Yo, these NPCs are funny. Hey, look at this, man. That's what I'm telling you. It's hard to drive on this game, man. Look at this shit. I guess that's New York traffic after all, huh? Yeah, shout out to my people in New York City, man. Brooklyn. Yeah. All right. Didn't pay much. There's some armor somewhere on this map. I forgot where it is. I remember that I used to have this spot where I used to just go get armor all the time, other than using the cheats. me drive this van. Oh, this is a car lot. I'm wondering why all these cars got alarm. This is a car lot. Easy credit. We have easy credit. I know I did this video and surprisingly I got a lot of love from India on the video. So big up all the people in India, man. Word. Shoot, man. Thanks for showing love. Alright. Go do another Tony job. Salvatore is called a meeting. Salvatore is...
Salvatore has called a meeting. I need you to collect the limo and his boy Joey from the garage. Then get Luigi from his club. Come back here and pick me up. Then we'll all drive over to the boss's place together. Those triads, they don't know when to stop. They want a war, they got a war. Now get going.
Oh, we're gonna beef with the triads. We're gonna kill them all. Oh, this is a nice red car. Nope. Where my truck at? I think I should stop at the gun shop. Yo, get out of here, man. So I gotta go that way, so might as well I park right here. Go to the gun shop. What up, biatch?
You want a license too?
I don't want no license, bro. I already got the license to kill. Be a whack ass shirt, man. I look like a bootleg rockstar shirt.
We're going for the mattresses. Hey, paisan!
I got an inch. Oh, it's you again.
Oh shit, that bitch is knocking the shit out of him.
He's no good.
Okay, I think I'm good with this.
God,
I'm
he's
going to
slow.
get you.
Yeah, what's wrong with these fools, man?
You making it, pimp. It's no trouble for you. I don't deserve you.
Oh no. Oh, we're going to Joey.
Dipshit. Damn pussy. Damn pussy.
How you doing?
Driving the limo. Where am I going? Oh, I gotta drive the limo all good and nice, man. Yo, don't come crashing in this shit, bro. Go ahead. You said the boss man wants your head. I heard you, bro.
Get you.
Yo. Sound the horn.
How you doing?
Damn, the Dons are in here. Where am I going again?
You're real smart.
New York traffic ain't no joke. Move, move.
My birthday. Hey, it's all about the money. Yeah.
Let me get out of here, man. Fucking triads. Pick Tony up. Come on, Tony. Let's do this. Roll on the triads.
No fancy crap.
Oh shit, they're coming for us, man. Oh shit, y'all better shoot. Oh, damn. Yeah, keep them guys, keep them guys off us, man. They fucked the car up, that's for sure. Oh, they blocked the fucking road too? Going through this bitch. Get out of here, man. Y'all ain't doing shit. Oh, gotta go in the garage.
You did good back there, kid. Real good. Come on, let's introduce you to the Don.
Hey, Luigi!
Oh, my girls have been missing you so long, Salvatore. You've been away too
You
long.
tell them once this unfortunate business is taken care of, we'll all go down to the club and
Them
celebrate,
mafias could
okay?
be so kiss ass when it
Hey,
comes to the
my boy,
Don.
How you doing, Pop?
You got yourself a good woman yet? Hey, your mother, God bless her soul, would be turning over in her grave to see you without a wife.
I know, Pop. I'm working on it.
Tony!
Working on
How's
it.
your mama? She's a great woman, you know, strong, Firenze.
She's good.
How's your mama?
Terrific, terrific. Now listen, you guys, you go inside while I talk to our new friend here. I see nothing but good things for you, my boy.
You do, huh? Oh, I got 15 grand. All right. Okay, Salvatore, I'll come back and talk to you. Shit, I work for Salvatore now. I'm driving the good shit. Guess. I'm trying to see the water, what the water look like. I should go to the... Let me go do another phone mission. What up, girl? Let me see what's up with these back in the day phones.
A thieving opportunist has stolen a van of my latest publication hot off the press. But that spanked up idiot has left the rear doors open, and now my beautifully produced, tastefully photographed adult literature is being dropped all over Liberty. Take the van and follow that trail of Donkey Does Dallas volumes 1, 2, and 3, collecting it as you go. When you follow the trail to that thieving spankhead, waste him. Then deliver my Donkey Derby to Triple X Mags in the Red Light District.
Sounds like a lot of work. All right, let's see. Why they let me drive in a circle? The van is right fucking here. I just drove around in a circle. Collect the magazine. Whoa. Oh, where the fuck are? Oh, I've got to follow this truck. Or that car right there. Oh, I missed one. Oh, come on, man. I can't believe I missed that. Only got 24 seconds left. Come on, man. This fucking truck is blocking all my shit, man. Move. Yo, move, man. Just blocking all my shit. Oh, you get time when you go each one you collect. Okay. That fucking truck was just blocking the shit. I couldn't even pick them up.
A thieving opportunist has stolen a van of my latest public.
Move, cop. Oh, fuck. I wonder which way he went. This way or this way. The thing is, they got all these vehicles blocking the shit, man. I'm telling you. So fucking annoying. Which way? Which way? Damn, I don't know which way. That's one of the most frustrating missions I ever did. It's very frustrating. Yo, come on, cops, leave me alone, man. Ooh wee. That'll make you leave me alone. He lucky. I was about to come out of the car and shoot him up. Okay, they gone. Man, I ain't doing that mission, yo. I'm going up to fucking Salvatore. That mission is frustrating, man. Trying to collect them damn magazines. I'll go do a Salvatore mission. Stolen car, get the fuck out of the way. Check Don Salvatore. See if he got no job for me. Oh, you know what I should do? I think the prostitute make your health go up more, you know. I should get a prostitute. Go up in here first. See if I can find chaperone.
Me and the fellas need to talk business, so you're gonna look after my girl.
Chaperone.
Hey, Maria, move your butt. Dumb broad does this every time. And here she is, the one and only Queen of Sheba. What were you
Queen of
doing?
Sheba.
Whatever it was, I bet it cost me money.
Well, you don't think I hang around here for the conversation, do you?
Get in the car and keep your big mouth shut. Take the limo, but bring it back in one piece, you hear me? And watch her. She can be trouble.
Yeah. I'm sure your new lapdog has everything covered. And isn't he big and strong? Hey, Fighter, let's go visit Chico and get some party treats. He's at the rail station at the Chinatown waterfront, I think.
You're a lucky bitch. Got limousine and shit. Okay, let's turn this off, right? You can't turn this music off? Come on, man. Don't want to crash the Don's car. Hate this fucking traffic in this game, yo. I swear. Nothing changed in GTA. The traffic is still the same way throughout the years.
right, my favorite lady. You're looking for some fun? A little, some spank?
Hey, Chico. Nah, just the usual.
Well, lady, hey, maybe you should check out the warehouse party at the east end of Atlantic Keys.
Thanks, Chico. See you around.
Gracias. And enjoy. That's good stuff.
All right, Chico.
Come on, Fido. Let's go and check out this party.
I don't know. Maybe I should fix the car. These vehicles just drive crazy on this game, yo. I saw some people say they experience crash while playing this game. I haven't experienced any crash yet. So let me use that word yet, you know? That's the key word. Yet.
All right, Fido. You wait here and look after the party.
While I go and shake my butt. Alright, go shake your butt, girl. I'll wait right here. You know what? Let me turn the car around.
To all units. This is narcotics raid Atlantic Keys.
Oh, they're raiding the place, girl. You better get your ass outside quick. Where's she at? Come on, girl. Let's go. Where's she at? Come on, Maria. Damn. Damn, this car looks like it's about to blow up. I got cops coming up. Damn, this fucking car. I can't come over here. Private property, yo.
You know, I enjoyed myself for the first time in a long while. And you treated me really good with respect and everything. I better go. I'll see you around.
Okay. Okay, I'm making a big money now, man. 10 grand every time I touch the street. No, don't go there.
Oh, it's you again.
Alright, let me go see if I find one of them working girls, yo. Because I think they make your energy go up, your health go up.
I'll show you how we do it Southern style.
Alright, come on, girl. Oh, you make that come. Take you in the woods. Alright, do your thing. Uh-oh. See my health going up? That's good. I'm getting text while I'm getting import, export, garage, Portland, Harbor. We have orders for various vehicles. Check our notice board. Oh, are we done? Alright, get out, girl. I don't want nothing more. I got my 125. I got my health up. Thank you. You work miracles. Alright. Let's see. The map. Oh, Tony's back. Alright. Let's go see what Tony wants. I didn't even go to the other side of the map yet. Still over this side. Trials and tribulation.
But he left one of his sugary love letters for
We're at war. The Triads have a fish factory as a front. Most of their business goes down at the fish market in Chinatown. The laundry still owes us protection. They reckon the Triads are protecting them now, so I say we exact a fitting punishment. Take those boys over and whack the Triad warlords. Hell, if you get a chance, pop some of their soldiers too.
Okay. So I'm rolling with 2. Alright, come on, dudes. Let's go.
All our units going on progress Chinatown. Advise caution.
Triads are shooting like crazy over here. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, I see a pill up there. I'm gonna go get that pill. I see a Molly up there. Let me go get that Molly. Get that Molly, baby. Molly Percocet. There we go. Oh, oh. Everything is in slow motion now. Ooh, ooh. Are they helping me or what? Look at these guys standing looking at me getting shot. Look at them. Somebody shooting from behind. Alright, let's go, man. Molly Percocet, baby. Watch it. Oh, let me stop promoting drugs, yo. Alright, get out of here, man. Yo, come on, y'all. Let's get out of here, y'all. It's only 2 of us left. Oh my God, yo, what the fuck is going on here? Let me get this done, yo. Alright, come on, guy. Let's go. Let's get out of here. We're outnumbered over here. The war is on. Oh, let me go up and get some help. Let me go get some help, bro. There we go. Come on now, let's go. Nah, don't go in this car. This car is about to blow up. Let me get out of it. Let's get a different car. Police right there. And fuck the police. Let's go. Habib. Thank you. Let's go over there, y'all. Let's go over there. Let's go over there, y'all. Let's go over there, y'all. Let's go over here, y'all. We run this shit right here. Salvatore! Alright. Alright, cops is here, man. We gotta get out of here. Let's go this way. Yo, where these guys spawning from, man? Are they just spawning them from... Come on, bro. Are they spawning these guys from nowhere? It's like they're just pulling guys out their ass, man. Alright, let's do this again. Let's try this shit one more time, yo. I want to get this pill. I want to get this fucking Percocet. Come on, guy. Let's go around here first. Around here we want to be. You know what I'm saying? That's where we want to be, right here. Lay it down, dude. Is he gonna get back up or what? Yes, he is. Damn, I'm shooting that damn iron, man. What's up? Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, yo. Oh, I was gonna take that van. Damn. Are y'all coming or what, man? Are they dead? It's only me alone? What about the two guys I was rolling with? Huh? I guess they dead. I'm on my own. Them motherfuckers, they die quick. Oh, come on, man. How the fuck he catch me so quick? That's bullshit. Alright, let's go, man. Let's see if we could. Like he got fucking Stretch Armstrong arms. Kill some of y'all too, man. Big boy. Roll out the big boy. Open that damn gate. Open it. Open it. Oh, I need a fish van. Why y'all didn't fucking tell me that, man? Now I gotta go search for a fucking fish van. How the fuck I'm supposed to know what a triad fish van? Oh, I know what it look like. Okay, I know what it look like. Let me go see if I find one. I think it got some fish written on the side of it, something. The fish logo on the side. And this Chinatown, I'm supposed to find one around here. Maybe this is one right here coming up. If they had told me that from beginning, I would have been got a fucking fish van from the start. Here go one right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this motherfucker driving fast as hell. There's a lot of shooting going on, man. It's an all-out war. Italians versus triads. Stop, Chuck. Damn. Go kill these fools. Drive by. Drive by. I'll take that. What's this? Coke. Look at this Coke. Oh. So this is where the place is, huh? Yeah. All right, let me get out of here.
There's a place you can go.
Move, pussy. Don't run up on me like that, man. I'm paranoid. Hey, 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 hey.
He took my car.
Sorry, old man. You got insurance. Yeah, man. Yo, look at this shit. I'm telling you, it's the worst fucking traffic. I was gonna make a video about with a police simulator, but I don't like that game. You know what I'm saying? To me, it's a waste of money. I think I'm gonna ask for a refund for that game, man. I don't know if it's too late. But police simulator, I'd rather play LSPDFR, you know? Way better game. That fucking police simulator is kind of corny. Yeah. Speaking of that, man, I'll be bringing back my LSP DFR videos soon. As a matter of fact, I should start working on some LSP DFR videos. Yeah, chilling. I wonder if he could flick. Nah, he can't roll. He only could jump. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video for part 4. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you're a first-time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, only if you want to. Big up to all my subscribers. Hit that like button. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J__X. Thanks for watching. God bless. 1.